Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So I deleted all my videos and stuff, and as you can see, I bought like the full meal from Cabob. It's from Indonesia. I already eaten the meal because I'm so hungry. So this is the toy. So let's open it. Wait, it's already open. So this is like the tools. So this is a Minecraft stuff. So this is a pickaxe, this is a sword, this is like a hoe, a bow, an axe, and a stick. I don't know why. So we're just gonna start with the bow. Okay, let's get this bow out. Oh, that was close. Meh. This is a whole collection, so you need to buy this like all day. Axe. Pap, pap, pap. Oh, I can use it for this. Pap, pap, pap. No can. And then next stick. Well, that's so easy. Where did the axe go? There. Oh, there you go. Axe. Axe. Bow. A stick. Or freaking knife. Now, pickaxe. Let's open it. Got the pickaxe. That. I can mine it with this. That. No, I can't. But thing there. Most YouTubers I don't know. Most Minecraft gamer YouTubers, they use axe like crazy when you're fighting mobs. I mean, axe use the most damage. Sword, finally. Don't forget to turn on the subtitles thing. So this is the sword. And then this is the hoe. It's like the entity 303 hoe. Yeah, it's like the Green Reaper like thingy. So it's all empty now. Throw that out. Okay. Now get off, you weapons. Now it's time for this. That's my brother and my sister. Okay, we also have the Minecraft 2.0 8-in-1 craft guide. As you can see, it's from Cabob's. Yeah, it's like a burrito. It's like I'm eating. I think I'm eating burritos there. So here's it. This is the guide. So this is the main guide. This is I have the item. So you have this, and then you see it there. Go grab it. Okay. So first you need a brown thing. With one spot there, which is this. And that thing and that thing. And this thing. Oh, there's two more. I haven't opened this packs for like a week. That's my sister again. My brother. Yeah, there you go. Next god. I already put that. Wait, what? Where's the great thing? I think I don't have it. Maybe that's from another guide. Yeah, maybe. Oh my god, there's the full screen though. Look at it. Bro, Minecraft. It's gonna be like this. Okay, so it's just the moderation switch. So this is just the moderation switch. This equals to this. Because there's nothing else like to put on. Yeah. Oh! Is this color matching? Yeah, it's color matching there. That's it. I finally knew it. I am wrong. I need to switch the colors. When it's in real life, it's so hard that people was confused. Yeah. And then you put two there, and then you put two there again. There's so many blocks. Oh yeah, there's the bridge thing. This is for the bridge. I guess the bridge. Where's the bridge? Where's the bridge, guys? Can you find the bridge? Oh! I think it's right here. So we're just gonna combine that all. It's all together when we complete the pack. Packs all. And then there's the other guide. Oh, there you go. And then after we put in two of them, those. My mom is watching drama. My mom is watching drama. Oh, not that one. It's this one, I guess. Oh, this one. That drama is Chinese. Yeah. And then after you put that on, oh yeah, you put the green seal first, like this one. So if you want to visit Indonesia, go visit it. It's amazing. But after the pandemic, yeah, after the pandemic, then you visit it. What? I think this is a curse image. Wait, that's the hand. I'll just connect the hands first. And the stuff. And this is the feet. Kids, this is normal, okay? Don't worry, this is super duper normal. The Minecraft thing is not hurt. No, it's not hurt. It's just a model. Oh, it's Lego. Minecraft Lego. Is it fitting there? Oh, there we go. Yay, we have a Minecraft player like a creeper. Now we just need to connect the hands. How do I connect the fucking hands? I'll connect them with the things first. Hand. Then another hand. Let's complete this guy. Where's that guy? Actually, I think it's that guy, yeah. It's this one. I'm doing this guy. Oh yeah, where's this blockhead? There we go. Just like that. Oh yeah, it's blockhead. It's blockhead. I think the name is blockhead, right? Oh, it's just like, oh yeah. Oh my god, man. Oh, I thought it fell. Man. I think I scared the kids. They thought I am building someone. Yeah, there we go. Where's their freaking head? Oh. There we go. Here we go. Complete a player. Okay. Now after that, put on the other thing there. And put on this. This. And then this. And then this. I am confused. How did I build this? It's not how you build a Minecraft bridge. Okay, now I'm confused. That thing and the red one. And converse this one. Oh, maybe. Oh, there we go. What? Oh, there we go. Finally. Oh, then it holds it here. Cool, man. It's like a torch. It's like a real freaking torch. Man, this is so cool. You must have buy this. You must have buy this, man. Okay. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, flip it like that. Flip it like this. 2 red thingies there. I think this is like the mold stuff. I don't know. But I live in Indonesia. I'm born here. In Indonesia. Okay. And then the second one. Okay. Now we've done that. Oh! It's like... Wait, what? Wait. You're just gonna find it all together. Wait. I made a mistake. I guess. Oh! And this, oh! And then you hang it here. Add a little designs there. Yeah, add little designs. Yeah, I'll just add that design. Yeah, add that design. Yay, our first player too. Put him there. Can also give him a weapon. Okay, I'll give him like bow. How do you give a guy a bow, man? If this guy even doesn't even know how to get a bow. Look at his freaking hand. That's it. I'm just giving him a sword. Oh my god. I mean, his hand is very fragile. Give him a sword. And I'll give him an axe for fun. And an axe. It's like a ninja boy. That's my sister and my brother. They talking, so it might annoy you. Sorry guys, still talking. Okay, where's the axe? There we go. Give him the axe. Man, hold the axe. Hold the axe carefully. Okay. Okay, it's like, okay, I'm having a fight here. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Oh. I'm going to spam him. Ah! Man. Raise your axe. Your sword. There. You look so cool there. Here. Bruh! You spent the axe? Or something? You're a spinner? You like freaking throw the axe. Oh, bruh. Oh, bruh. That's a great mistake. And then I mix-click. This is clickbait, right? This is clickbait. Oh, that's a great mistake. That's a very great mistake. Okay, finally. Okay, you're not supposed to be sitting, boy. You're supposed to fight for your life. I'll make the other characters later. I'm gonna hand him this first. So this is the end of this thing. Happy, happy. I'm gonna show more later. Okay, guys. Bye.